Hi everybody, you're not going to see my face because I'm going to record me making some things with some materials that I have here. I have some foam rectangles, that were cut out of foam pieces, a chalkboard and some chalk. You could actually use chalk on a sidewalk. I also have a whiteboard with dry erase markers, and I have this little writing board that I got at the dollar store. They may still sell it, and it erases. And I have popsicle sticks. We're gonna make the letter A because Alana's birthday was this week, and her name starts with the letter A. And a few of you know what the letter A looks like, but when you go to make it, it's kind of tricky because it has diagonal lines. So this is what I mean by diagonal. This is going straight up and down. We want our A to have two diagonal lines. So we go down, and then we put the other one right on top of the other line and go down, and then we go across. Down, down, across. If we did not tilt or make the lines diagonal, this is what it would look like. And some of you, when you make the letter A, do this. You go down, down, across. And that is not a letter A. What letter is it? It's the letter H. And we want to look at A this week. So down, down, across. And we can say, wake up, magic pencil. Down, down, across. You can do it in the air with your magic pencil. Why don't you try it with your tongue? Down, down, across. Try it with your elbow. Down, down, across. All right, let's try it with chalk now. Letter A. So we're going to tilt it. We're going to go down like crooked diagonal. Then we're going to start right at the same spot that we started the other line. Down. So it kind of looks like a triangle. And then when we put the middle line, do you see the triangle here? And triangle has 3 points. 1, 2, 3, and points are sharp. So we want to make it sharp. So that's our letter A, our capital letter A. And then if we made it over here on the whiteboard, we could go down, and then I have another color. I don't know if these markers are dried out. We'll see. Down. See how the red line and the black line are touching? We want them to touch, kind of like right, that circle's right where they touch. And across. And we're not going to go across the bottom, because if we went across the bottom, that would just be a triangle. But we don't want to make triangles. We want to make A's. So the triangle sits inside of the A, halfway. The line is like a belly, like a belt around its waist. Okay, and now on the right board, down, down, across. Okay, that's the capital A. And these are so cool because you can erase and try again. And here is our popsicle sticks. Down, whoops, I went the wrong way. Down, down, across. Now my popsicle stick is a little long, so you probably would want to just cut it because the middle line is a short line. And so let me see if I have a shorter stick. I'll check on that later. You could just cut them in half and that middle line would be shorter. Now the sound that the letter A makes is ah, like animals, and Alana, Alana, animals, apple. Now I want to look at the shape of a small A, and it goes, make a circle around, up and down, and you don't lift your writing tool at all. So watch that again. Circle around, up and down. And if we look at Alana's name, she has an A at the beginning and at the end, and she has, so at the beginning we make it tall and a capital, and at the end we do the small A. Only the ones at the beginning of our names are capital. or large ones. And so here is her letters. She has another A in the middle too. Her name is full of A's. Look at this. Capital A, because tall at the front. Small A, small A. She has 1, 2, 3 A's in her name. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you guys. You may have seen A's before, but I'd like you to try making capital and small A's yourself. Let me show you here the small A with the marker. Circle around, up and down. And on the writing board, circle around, up and down. I can't do the small A with popsicle sticks because you need curve. You need a curve. The small A is a little bit harder than the capital A because it has that curved line. Why don't we do it with our fingers or magic pencil? Say, wake up, magic pencil. Circle around, up and down. And try it with your tongue. Ha-ha-ha, Try it with your nose. Circle around, up and down. And let's clap the letter A, and punch the sound. Ah. A, ah. Great job, guys.